In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check orders on Etsy. Whether you're a seasoned Etsy shopper or new to this bustling marketplace, knowing how to track your purchases is an essential skill for a smooth shopping experience. So let's jump right in and explore how you can easily check your Etsy orders. To get started, the first thing you need to do is visit the Etsy website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL etsy.com. This will take you to the main Etsy homepage, which is your gateway to thousands of unique and handmade treasures. Now, once you're on the homepage, you should see an inviting array of trending items and gift ideas, but don't get sidetracked here. Our goal today is to access your past orders. Next, you want to locate your profile dropdown. This can typically be found at the top right corner of the Etsy homepage. It's represented by an icon or sometimes your profile picture if you've added one. Go ahead and click on this drop-down menu. This step brings you a step closer to accessing your order history. The drop-down menu offers a quick and easy way to navigate to different sections of your account, making it much easier to manage your purchases and personal information. Within this drop-down menu, you should now see an option labeled Purchases and Reviews. This section houses all of your past transactions and reviews you've left for sellers. Go ahead and click on that. As you do, imagine it as your personal digital archive where all details about your order history are kept neatly organized. Here, you can view each item you've purchased, check their delivery status, and see any reviews you've left for your favorite sellers. Now that you're in the Purchases and Reviews section, you'll be welcomed by a list of all your past orders. This page will show the item names, pictures, prices, order dates, and shipping information. If you're looking to check on the status of an order, this is the perfect place to get a clear overview. You can easily track your packages, see expected delivery dates, and even contact sellers directly if you have any questions or issues. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to check orders on Etsy. Whether you're eagerly waiting for your next piece of unique jewelry, a custom-made gift, or that beautiful vintage item, this process allows you to effortlessly keep tabs on all your Etsy purchases. By mastering these simple steps, you're now better equipped to manage your Etsy shopping experience, track deliveries, and ensure everything you ordered arrives safely at your doorstep. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Etsy.